think ngayon naiintindihan nyo na bakit ganito yung suit ko. No? So, great adventure. Sino to? Lone Ranger ba or what? Indiana Jones. So, sabi ko nga, hi Biz Friends! Kung merong pambansang Mars, ako na ang pambansang Biz Friend. Before anything else, I wanna ask everyone, meron ba kayong best friend? Pataas po yung kamay. Ay, wala siyang best friend. No? Ay, nagkumukuha pala. Sorry. So, the thing is, ang best friend kasi, yan yung lagi nyo nakakasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Whether nalulugi kayo, nagka-problema kayo, andyan yung best friend. Good and bad. Whether you're lucky, you're having troubles, the best friend is the one that you're gonna call, regardless of what happens. This is basically what being a best friend is all about. Kaya naisip namin, best friend. Pero ano bang difference? Ano bang best friend at best friend? So I'll try to articulate what the best friend is. That's why we're calling our rewards program best friend. A best friend is someone that will help you through difficult times. Halimbawa, wala ng kapital. O kaya kailangan nyo mag-scale up ng business. The best friend would be there for you. For example, you wanted to know something about the new technology. Bago na ang AI, ano ba itong mga artificial intelligence na to? Ano bang kailangan gamitin ko para mas maging cost-efficient yung operations ko? The best friend will be there for you. Mula maliit ka hanggang lumaki, the best friend is always here for you. In effect, that's how Converge SME is. Basically, we are here with you to grow from being micro to small to medium and even emerging. That's a new segment that we found out. Emerging meaning not part of 10,000 corporations, but not also medium. But that particular segment is very important because sila talaga yung matindi ng kumita and eventually will reach their aspiration, their dream. MSMEs are very aspirational. They have lots of dreams and they need a partner who would actually help them all throughout. Now, that's the reason why we have Best Friend Rewards. And I want to share with you very specifically what Best Friend Rewards is all about. I'll start with the first one. We call it Best Friend Chill. Okay, we have 3 C's. Siyempre dapat, tama ba ako? C. Converge, di ba? First, Best Friend Chill. Chill because at the end of the day, you're a business owner. You get stressed out. You get tired. Kailangan mag-chill. Kailangan mag-relax. You need staycation. You need to have entertainment. Either you watch a movie, or you can also go for a relaxation day in a spa, or do a staycation and vacation. No matter what, you need to chill. Sometimes even sports events. Either way, that's what Best Friend Chill is all about. Again, part of the Best Friend Rewards. Second, Best Friend Choice. Let's say, binigay namin yung Best Friend Chill Rewards, pero wala kayong gusto. Hindi pwedeng tumigil doon. You need to have your choice. You're the one who's gonna select. Ano ba ang trip mo? Meron pala tayong foreigners. What do you like? I pray. So, what do you like? What suits you, right? So, with Best Friend Choice, you basically choose what you want to enjoy. Whether it's a staycation, or feel mo pang maging mas magaling at matalino, mag-AI workshop ka. O kaya, mag-enroll ka to a free seminar. We got you. You just need to choose. It's your power what reward you wanna choose. And last but not the least, and this is my favorite kasi walang ganito sa ibang rewards program. Best Friend Circle. We found out that MSMEs have a hard time connecting to networks, to people. Kasi, kaya nga iba, di ba, if we have kids, gusto natin i-enroll sa mga matitinding schools para bata pa lang, may network na sila pag nagnegosyante. Bakit ba tayo hindi naturuan doon na pwede naman pala maging negosyante? Why do we have to go and become part of a corporate? Si Lucas talking na nasa corporate. Hi Carlo. Si Carlo, liberated na. Congrats pare. So, di ba, that's why you need to be free of the corporate world. But guess what? We support actually, even in Converge, honestly, Converge actually supports having a side hustle. Kasi yun naman talaga tayo, di ba? the 9 to 5 pays the bills, the 6 to 12 builds the dream, di ba? So that's what we do. So with Circle, we connect you to the right network, to the right platforms. Hello Canva, hello Viber. Malalapitan niyo ba sila kung MSME lang kayo, tapos pupunta kayo doon? I mean, they're nice, pero I don't think so. You need someone who's gonna be representing you, and that's Converge SME. We actually negotiate and bargain for you to get all these freebies so that you're gonna enjoy these perks and benefits. That's what this friend circle is all about. So you're part of the inner circle. You're a member. It's a membership privilege. We've spent months handpicking partners who share our vision of SME empowerment. Brands that understand the hustle and the need for a little chill time. We wanted to make sure that when you use your best friend rewards, you feel the same appreciation you feel from a best friend. So, speaking of perks, I don't want to keep you in suspense any longer. But prior to that, gusto ko tanungin sana, sino ang best friend mo doon? Hindi doon Sino ang best friend mo doon? Converge SME na. So, with that, ladies and gentlemen, our best friends, let me give you a glimpse of all our credible partners for Best Friend Rewards. Thank you so much and good evening po.